Cornell Cooperative Extension offers a variety of free cooking and nutrition workshops for families and youth in Jefferson County.
These free, interactive workshops are held throughout the community, as well as virtually, right from your home through Zoom and Facebook Live.
For new moms, we also offer breastfeeding classes and support.
In addition to learning how to make healthy food choices, our classes include information on being active,
Learning to cook and how to prepare new recipes at home,
breastfeeding education and support,
helping children reduce screen time and develop lifelong healthy habits,
prevention of diabetes and its complications,
making healthy food choices on a budget,
food safety. When you join a program with me, you will receive a free food intake analysis, which will help me customize the class sessions to meet your specific needs.
I can teach classes to both groups and individuals in person or online, whatever is most convenient for you and your schedule.
When we meet, I will listen to your concerns, answer your questions, help with goal setting,
Continually strive to help you recognize the value of good food and nutrition and make food safety habit forming.